What do you understand by the word corona of the sun? Our sun is surrounded by a jacket of gases called an atmosphere. The corona is the outermost part of the sun's atmosphere. The corona's high temperatures are a bit of a mystery. Imagine that you are sitting next to a campfire. It's nice and warm, but when you walk away from the fire, you feel cooler, right? This is the opposite of what seems to happen on the sun. Astronomers have been trying to solve this mystery for a long time. The corona is in the outer layer of the sun's atmosphere, far from its surface. Yet, the corona is hundreds of times hotter than the sun's surface. A NASA mission called IRIS may have provided one possible answer. The mission discovered packets of hot material called heat bombs that travel from the sun into the corona. In the corona, the heat bombs explode and release their energy as heat. But astronomers think that this is only one of many ways in which the corona is heated. Normally, a corona cannot be seen and it can be experienced well on the day of an eclipse. What are solar winds? Let's talk about magnets. All of you played with them, right? They help close the door of your fridge. Same way, the surface of the sun is covered in magnetic fields. The little particles in the corona, which is the outer layer, are charged by the heat and magnetic field and form different patterns. Beautiful, right? The corona extends far out into the space. From it comes the solar winds that travel through our solar system. The corona's temperature causes its particles to move at very high speeds. These speeds are so high that the particles can escape the sun's gravity. How hot is the sun? The temperature at the surface of the sun is about 10,000 Fahrenheit or 5,600 Celsius. The temperature rises from the surface of the sun inward towards the very hot center of the sun. When it reaches about 27 million thousand Fahrenheit or 15,000 million Celsius, the temperature of the sun also rises from the surface outward into the solar atmosphere. The uppermost layer of the solar atmosphere, called the corona, reaches temperatures of millions of degrees. The corona is the bright halo of light that can be seen during a total solar eclipse. Now we have a total solar eclipse on the 21st of June. Let's try to see, but not with naked eyes. The sun generates about 400 billion megawatts of power, and it has done so for 5 billion years. Nuclear fusion, combining lighter atoms to make heavier ones, is what makes it possible. When we think about hydrogen, we typically picture it as a gas, but the heat and pressure in the sun's core ionizes the hydrogen, freeing electrons from their hydrogen nuclei. Hydrogen in the sun is plasma, the fourth state of matter. Plasma can churn and flow like liquid, and the convection currents moving from the sun's core to the surface paired with the sun's rotation, causes magnetic fields. These fields create storms, which blast material out from the sun and can interfere with the Earth's magnetic field, resulting in beautifully glowing night skies or threatening life as we know it. The magnetic field of the sun and the earth. Electric currents inside the sun generate a magnetic field that spreads throughout the solar system. The field causes activity at the surface of the sun, increasing and decreasing in a regular cycle. Solar winds composed of charged particles carries the magnetic field away from the sun's surface through the solar system. Earth's magnetic field protects the planet's atmosphere from the solar winds, which consists of charged particles released by the sun's magnetic field. The interaction between the sun and the earth's magnetic fields sometimes causes storms of explosive nature in the space near earth. Understanding these interactions is important to help protect and improve the performance of the satellites which revolve around. So, here we go to today's class. In the lesson 3.4, we have a couple of videos and articles on sun. Please watch and read them. Answer the questions given in your class task in the journal or A4 sheet. Let's discuss further about sun in the Google Meet. Happy exploring the causation and effect.